Hello and welcome to my channel. Here's introducing you to nature's treasure, which will help you gain knowledge on how nutritious fruits and vegetables are, along with some simple and delicious plant-based recipes. Nutrients are substances required by our body to perform its basic functions, such as providing us energy and contributing to structure and proper functioning of our body. They must be obtained from our diet as our body does not produce them. Here are the 6 essential nutrients. Nutritional deficiency occurs when the body does not get the necessary amount of nutrients it requires. This can give rise to a range of health problems. To prevent nutritional deficiencies, eat a wholesome and nutrient-dense diet. Carbohydrates provide a great part of the energy in our diets. Unrefined, natural sources of carbohydrates are whole grains, legumes, whole fruits, and starchy vegetables such as sweet potato and corn. Refined carbohydrates are processed so much before you eat them that the body can quickly absorb the sugars from them. Protein is necessary for the proper growth, development, and repair of our body. Beans, lentils, green peas, nuts, and seeds are a few examples of protein-rich food. Lipids or fats have many important functions in our body. They give us energy, keep our body warm, build cells, protect our organs, and help in absorbing vitamins from food. Saturated and trans fats are generally not as good for our body. Unsaturated fats are healthy fats and are categorized as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Here's a list of plant-based sources of fats. Vitamins are substances that our body needs to grow and develop normally. There are 13 vitamins our body needs. They are listed along with their sources in the table shown. Our body uses minerals for many different jobs, including keeping our bones, muscles, heart, and brain working properly. Minerals are also important for making enzymes and hormones. The tables shown next will give you an insight into the types and sources of minerals. I've got some simple recipes here for a plant-rich food. Do try them. Awareness of nutrients on your plate is the first step in moving towards a healthier diet and a healthier body. This video is meant to encourage viewers to include more of fruits and veggies in their diet and does not advocate a total vegetarian diet. It is important to always eat a balanced diet. Total or partial vegetarian is an individual choice. Thank you for watching.